Suzuki Infotainment systems can freeze or become unresponsive. Always consult your Suzuki owner's manual first. The Suzuki Infotainment Recovery Tool (ESERT) app, released in Q3 2025, allows for remote soft resets on some models. However, fuse battery pulls are still relevant for older models or persistent issues. Start with the least invasive method, a forced reboot using the power button. If a standard reset doesn't work, a forced reboot might be needed. This involves pulling the infotainment fuse. This involves either pulling the infotainment fuse or disconnecting the battery. If the power button reset fails, locate the infotainment fuse labeled Info or Radio in your vehicle's fuse box. Pull it out for 5 to 10 minutes, then reinsert it. For a battery pull, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is more invasive and will reset vehicle settings, so note down presets beforehand. While DIY fixes often work, recurring problems require professional diagnostics to prevent safety risks and warranty voidance. Remember to consult your vehicle's manual and consider grounding yourself to prevent static discharge. Software updates and the CERT app are now addressing many issues, reducing the need for these manual interventions.